Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend, Friday, July the 28th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. This one is a hard one. Yes, I'm interested in this one. And we have also a binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 6827. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Alright. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then, yeah. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, let me think. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Then, interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. And 4 1's we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. 3 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Yeah, a tectonic with 4 stars. I hope this one will be a 4 stars puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.